Hey guys, I just wanted to quickly show you Pearl's new Decade Maple drum kit. This particular line is a 6-ply all maple shell with a matching snare. The kit that I have here is a satin black burst finish in a 10-12-16 toms with a 22-inch kick and a 14-inch snare. But what's really unique about this particular line of drums that Pearl have made, they're giving you a really great quality maple shell at a really great price. So if you're looking for a versatile kit that's great for the studio or stage, this is a great choice.